Hi, it's Mike again, and thanks for following me through on these Moodle tutorials. This one's on 360 feedback. Now, I'm not too sure whether the 360 feedback plugin comes with sort of Moodle out of the box, but nevertheless, this is a real powerful plugin to Moodle. So, guess what? First thing we need to do is click on the cog in the right-hand corner and turn editing on, and all the icons will appear as usual, and go down to add an activity or a resource where you want the 360 feedback to appear on your page. Then you get the whole list of the Moodle plugins and choose the first one, 360 feedback. Simple as that. And first thing that'll appear is the feedback window. So you give the feedback a name. In this case, I've just put have your say, and then a description, and just put down what you want the students to see. And don't forget, at the bottom of the box is the display description on course page, so you need to tick that. And then you can choose for the students to be anonymous or otherwise. And where it says participants, what you need to do there is click trainer if you are a Moodle trainer, and that gives then all the sort of course participants the ability to make comments on your performance. If you wanted to have a 360 feedback amongst all the students, then in this instance you would sort of select student from the drop-down menu. But in this instance, what we want is their comments on you as the trainer. So select trainer there. And just below that, there's a releasing drop-down list closed to participants, so that all the other students can't see what they've put on you. You can have it open to participants. Either you could do a manual release, so that once you've seen all the sort of comments and whatnot, you can release it yourself to the students, or you can release it after the activity's been closed. But in this instance, I've closed it to all the participants. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There's no need for all the other options, and click Save and return to the course. Okay, so this is your view. This is the link that you've just set up, and you can see the comments that we added and when we ticked display on the page. So that's in the top left-hand corner of the screen. So what you need to do is click on that link, and then we can sort of set up the questions that you want the student to comment on. So pick a question from the question bank, and then a whole raft of standard questions, like 1 to 15 standard questions, will appear. And if you want to have a different question, click the plus sign, and that will offer you sort of add new question. And what I've just put here are what are the three things that Mike does well, and the second one, what are the three things that Mike could improve upon. And don't forget to click Save Changes, otherwise they won't be saved, funnily enough. And the next screen, you'll find the list of the 15 questions, or the default ones, and your two that you've just created. So select the two or select the questions that you want the students to comment on, and then click Save Changes, funnily enough. And once you've done that, the questions will appear as the bottom image, and once you're happy with those, then click Make Available. Your next view as the teacher, you will see the list of students. I've only got one, Ekim, and you can see it's pending, so we're waiting for his comments. So that's the teacher view, top left-hand corner. And the student view, they will see on their Moodle page is have your say, the description that we provided, and if they click on that link, they will see they need to comment on Mike. The status is pending, and the edit feature, the edit pencil, if you like, click on there, and you'll see the two questions. So I've just put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 X and Y's, just for this demonstration. I hit Save Changes and then Submit. And in my student view, what I can see then is I've commented and completed my comments on Mike Toft. And that's all I need to do as a student. This is back to the staff view now. And I was probably a bit too keen. And you can see that Ekim has made some comments. It's in progress. I was too keen because Moodle was trying to catch up with my clicking, and it would say complete. Now note that there's a big button on the sort of up to the right called View Feedback. Click there and you can see what the student has commented on me. And it's as simple as that. My name is Mike Toft. Thanks for watching. I'm on Twitter at @littlegreyhair. I'm on the web at littlegreyhair.com. If you like this video and want some more Moodle tutorials, please subscribe. And if you liked it, then click the like button. Thanks ever so much for watching. Cheers now.